Welcome back, everyone, to another technical analysis. And today's topic is going to be Cardano coin. So, overall, since previous times when we were looking at Cardano coin, we were closer to this zone and we expected to see, okay, not this one, actually, we were near this zone. And we expected to see a slight upward movement and then a steep movement to lower zones. And we had a nice small liquidity moment here and then a movement to lower zones. Now, this is old case scenario, and now we are seeing something quite different. So on the psychology side, in our opinion, personal opinion, we see a big liquidity movements here. So we can consider this one a big liquidity movement. This whole movement can be considered some kind of manipulative liquidity movement. That okay, let me just take the highlighter. So this whole zone here, then this candle here, this candle here, this bigger candle here, this movement here, this big green candle and also red candle with long wicks. And basically we see a lot of liquidity movements are happening on the Cardano coin. Now, keep in mind that we are having some kind of bullish momentum right now, and there is a similarity in the pattern as well, meaning we had similar movement to the upper zones, tested this upper zones, move into the lower zones. Now, break out from the previous highs, retesting, failed retest, but overall price still secured itself above this line. So we see that overall this line here, so let's remove all the liquidity zones. I think you got the idea of why we call it a liquidity coin. And overall we see that near these zones, so this place, let's highlight this place and this place as well, smaller one. So we saw three attempts to break down, and basically three of those attempts we had a quick liquidity movement to the upper zone. So this one was the first one, second one, third one, and actually we see even a fourth one, but this one seems rather slower one. So we are seeing a potential to open two positions here, which means a safeguard long position with a take profit closer here and stop loss closer here. So risk and reward ratio is 1 to 5. And another case is if we see a proper breakdown. So similar to previous coin actually, if we are going to see a local breakdown, stop loss should be slightly above the 100 EMA and target will be somewhere near in this region, even maybe near this region as well. So two take profit zones. Now the game plan is pretty simple. We are going to look for a possible breakout structure here happening on the smaller time frames, and then a steep movement to the upper zones, of course, and just ride the trend with some kind of take profit here, some kind of take profit and here, and the last one here. But if we see the price to show a further movement to lower zones, then we are going to look at the similar movement just as on the XRP coin. So if we see movement here, we see a breakdown. This would be opening price for us. So we're going to open a price with not 1%, but even like 0.5 actually, because this one is pretty risky trade. And if we see a retest successful one, we would tighten the stop loss again, and then a steep movement to lower zones with first target being here, and then further movement to lower zones towards this line here. So multiple positions that can be taken, and even if we see movement here and we see a failed, we would actually move the stop loss much closer because there might be a liquidity movement. But if we see that price will just break out from here, move towards this X region here, then we are going to open yet another long position with similar stop loss. So the long position would be open from here. Stop loss would be slightly below this line. and target would be here. So risk and reward ratios on all of the trades are pretty good, and overall this coin is way too volatile. So we have to see and wait for further confirmations, but we might see some kind of, again, liquidity movements here, or if we lose the dominance, not we but buyers lose the dominance of this 200 EMA, then of course price will just keep on tanking in search for a proper support zone, and the major support zone is this one here. This is just like a pit stop for us. So that's it for the Cardano coin. Another long video. We did say that we're going to try and make videos like 2 to 3 minutes, but as you can see, it's hard to get all the information and not stutter while you speak. So that's it. Yeah, this is the game plan once again that we are seeking, and this is also the game plan that we are seeking. So two possible movements, both have a really good risk and reward ratio. So let's see and wait for further confirmations. As of now, buying volume is building up, but this kind of push compared to the previous pushes seem pretty weak, so we still have to wait. So that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.